Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell at the bottom of the screen so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I have a really fun project. I've created this Hexagon Craft Caddy. This project was inspired by Tasha's Craft Corner. I was first introduced to Tasha by Scrap the World, who created another version of Tasha's Craft Caddies. Tasha has several different versions of these caddies and all of them are wonderful. I've added a number of enhancements, embellishments to my version, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. I've also used several files by MYSCRAPCHICK, which I will show you throughout the presentation. For this project, I dug deep into my craft vault and I found a collection by DCWV called The Linen Closet. I've been hoarding this for quite some time. In addition to the decorative stack, they have the complimentary cardstock, which is all in solids, and this has a variety of different types of paper, including glitter, linen, as well as pearl. This craft caddy is quite sizable. It measures 9 inches from the top of the handle to the bottom and just about 7 inches across. As you can see, this has tons of detail. Let me just turn this around so you can get a good view. Let's start here on the handle. For the handle, I've lined both sides in this gorgeous crochet lace trim, and then I've further embellished it with this gold rhinestone. I think it brings out the beautiful colors in this paper. Here you can see the blue, the brown, and of course the specks of gold foil. I attached this handle using these snaps by Linda. Let me show you them. Tasha used these in her demonstration, and I ordered these on Amazon and they arrived within 2 days. These are very easy to use, and you also get the pliers to attach them. On the other side of the handle, I have this beautiful floral spray. If you look closely, you can see these beautiful ivory leaves that are tipped in gold, and I have a combination of white and light blue magnolias. I have these darker blue cabbage flowers, and then woven in between I have these berries and stamens. And on the bottom of the handle, I have created a double bow using this dark gold seam binding. I layered it with this taupe seam binding, and in the center we've got this rhinestone pearl, and then I added in this little suede tassel to bring out the browns in these colors. I've also lined the entire perimeter of this caddy with this beautiful crocheted lace and more of the rhinestone. This craft caddy includes 6 pockets, and inside the pockets are these adorable little gift boxes. I have created this bow using a digital file from MYSCRAPCHICK, and in the center I used a die to create this fun shape, and then I have acetate in the center. I filled this box with foam cabbage roses. This is the next box, and I've created these fun flowers. I'm calling these my Puckered Flowers. I made this using a digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK, and in the center, to create this fun little area, I've used 3 circles and glued them together. Here's another one. And each of the petals on these flowers I have outlined with a gold leaf pen. And each box is filled with this yellow and white crinkled paper. In the next box, I have this filled with paper bows. And each of these bows have a rhinestone pearl in the center. And then I have some other special goodies hidden in the other package, and I will save those for my swap partner. But I'm going to take out the rest of the pockets so you can see how lovely this paper looks. As you can see, look at that beautiful blue with the brown and the gold foil and the yellow. And everything is coordinated perfectly. This craft caddy is quite sturdy. I recommend using 110-pound cardstock. However, when I made this, I only had 65-pound craft cardstock. This has multiple layers. Each of these panels are double layered. So there's 2 layers, the craft cardstock, and then there are 2 layers inside. So that's 5 layers. And as you can see, it's very, very sturdy. This handle easily moves, so you can move it back to give you more space. I've created a number of items for this caddy. The first is this beautiful layered rose. This is using the new layered heart rosette by MYSCRAPCHICK. I've also created this simple bag topper using the bracket easel card from MYSCRAPCHICK. It's simple, but it's very elegant. I have this beautiful crocheted lace on the top, more of this gold rhinestone. This sentiment, so sweet, is from the paper collection. I have a little pearl here, and then I've created this fun floral spray on the side with this golden seam binding. Let me give you a closer look. This is a heart rosette that I've made, and this is a fairly ample size. I just have this mounted on heavy cardstock. I love the way this turned out. Again, I think the color combination is so beautiful. For this yellow center heart here, I've outlined that with rhinestones, and then I've layered on top of this little mini heart a little tiny resin heart. I have the sentiment that says wonderful, and if you look closely, there's a yellow gemstone heart, and then I have this pretty floral spray with seam binding. These hearts are extremely versatile. You certainly don't have to wait just for Valentine's Day to use them. You could put this on the front of a card, a journal, or a mini album, or even a gift box. I've also created this beautiful waterfall folio with notepad. Now, I did a separate video that showed you how to put this together. However, I've also created a digital file that you can use in any electronic cutting machine. And I've also included a PDF file so that you can easily trace the file onto your favorite designer cardstock. On this waterfall folio, I have outlined it with more of this beautiful gold rhinestone. We have these fun cut-aparts in the back, and in the center it says, "You are my sunshine." I love this brown with the gold foil on the top, and then I've mixed in more of the blues with these floral sprays here, more of the seam binding, and then we have another floral spray here on the bottom. On the side, I have included this fun suede tassel, and this is the back. I've used this ivory colored grosgrain ribbon as a closure. And inside you have your notepad. A little sentiment here that says "My friend," and then several areas to include photos. I've also included this zigzag trifold card. This is another digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK. I love the way this turned out. On the front, I have this beautiful bow, and I've added in more of these flowers and seam binding. And this closes with a belly band. This is what the back looks like. I've used this beautiful mini crochet trim with more of the gold rhinestone. This opens up. It's held together with a magnetic closure. On the first panel here, I have a sentiment that says, "Hello, beautiful." When you open up the first panel, you have an area for a sentiment, and then I've included a little pocket with these fun tags. It says, "Hello, beautiful," "Thinking of you," and "Thank you." When you flip this over on the other side, you have another area for a sentiment, and I've included another waterfall, and this will hold 15 photos. This is really easy and simple to create, and I do have a separate video that shows you how to make this. I want to show you the inside of this. This is finished with this gorgeous paper, and as you can see, it holds quite a bit. Let me show you the bottom. I did finish the bottom with this beautiful paper, and each of the pockets are also double matted. This concludes my review of my Hexagon Craft Caddy. Hopefully, I have inspired you with fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and also leave a message in the comment section. I really love seeing your feedback. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.